Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can reset your network problem if your network is not working, uh, not downloading any app or something. How you can fix them all in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Then here it is system, click on accessibility and just scroll down, click on reset phones. Here it is reset mobile. You can see this reset mobile means it reset the network settings, so you have to click on it and it will fix your network issues. If not, you have to restart your smartphone by clicking on the power button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.